most of the street names in Spanish Town were names of prominent men from England. So you have Ellis Street, Wellington Street, Cumberland Road, Cumberland, England. That's where it got its name.
Okay. Wow.
And this one?
This is a bar. The building looks different now. It's at the intersection of a street called Old Market Street and Cumberland Road. It's like 5 minutes walk from where we are.
And it says Coca-Cola, so.
Yeah. There's an ice cream parlor.
Okay.
You see that, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Mm.
One more thing that what's
This
Is that what?
is a bathtub. It's actually the Lady Nugent's bath. If you feel that's solid marble. So Lady Nugent was the wife of one of the governors that lived here. He served as governor from 1801 to 1805.
Okay.
This bath, however, was not here on this property. It was at their, what you'd call it, the rich people called it their summer home. So this was at their summer home, which was located somewhere on Marspen Road, right? Another street here in Spanish Town. That now is what we know called the Lady Nugent's bath, which is not really a bathtub per se. If you want, you could just go and take a look at it. It's kind of bush, but let's walk this way. Easier access this way.
Unfair gameplay twice.
I mean, oh, police.
Where you been?
From today, a bad swan, I mean here. What my name?
So yeah, that's it.
Here what? You see for that win there? Even though I'm not Jamaican, one more round. Vision.
Yes, do.
Round two.
I don't go on and know. No for them youth away do the recording thing, you know, them have to go pack up, you know. And you don't know anything come down. Cartel is back. One done.
So brother, how much your kerchief?
I don't realize the currency breaks now.
I tell you something, Jamaicans not easy, you know.
The man make one talk and it a trend. And see everything when man wear dear.
Well, there's one thing I like, you know. More I come like when I have a man at home.
That not like about with some of our people, them, you know. Enough of them never had a say cartel. But from him release, a cartel me I say. Jesus Christ.
That's how it's still, man. We have back on this. Enough people see him as the idol still, you know.
I just hope him do the right thing, because I know few following in footsteps.
Right now, me hear some people are saying ease up for the media. What other than that, bro? Anyway, them man they go right now in the media. Aside.
One thing, you know, like Whisper say, hope him use that second chance here to put out more positive impact on the youth then.
Nah, like I say, you know, here make a talk. Tell you them to load the badness alone. Just I hope them listen to that.
Man, tell you the truth still. One of the most positive talk. Right today I met, you see me? I don't tell you, man. It's 2025 of business people in here, brother. Nothing can change that.
I like that talk there.
No joke still, you know. Whisper and Miss Brissett. Thanks for the support, you see me? Really respect it.
One go, man.
This is how I want it to happen. I want to see we as police, we are humans first. I want to come here back come all a vibe. Sit down and have a drink and a reason. I want to come over your place, come order 2 bead and get more orders for you. So, you know, you have your jobs them a go out. A one family, a one link.
Yeah, I love the sound of that, Miss Brissett. Positivity, you know? Always come first. So, I want to go on with Butcher here now.
When they put in a request for you this, you know, bossy, let them know what I want.
Alright, in time get cut down significantly. I mean, it now got up on the records, but him have to serve the time. Whenever I want to see him, just make me know.
Really appreciate it, Miss Brissett. That's why I make sure we do the right thing. I know it could have hurt you. You see it? Enough respect.
I want to know overs. But see, anytime I make decisions in a fool favor, you can backfire upon we in a second. So that's why we have to make sure that we work together at all times.
And big up yourself, Miss Lucy.
All the time.
Oh yeah, Bridget. What was that toast there?
What man told you?
That is it. Hit me a call, where are you?